Hello and welcome to Cybrary. We provide the tools and resources you need to achieve your career goals. Whether you're looking to expand your skill set, earn a certification, or build a career in cybersecurity, Cybrary's got you covered. Today we're excited to introduce you to our penetration tester career path. This career path consists of many different learning opportunities, including video courses, virtual labs, and assessments designed to help you develop the core skills and gain the hands-on experience you need to become a penetration tester. We typically recommend that you have at least 2 years of experience in information security, system administration, or network engineering before embarking on this path. As a penetration tester, you're responsible for detecting weaknesses in information systems, networks, and web applications. You do this by emulating threats to identify vulnerabilities without actually exploiting the data. Penetration testers provide organizations with reports detailing how they were able to infiltrate systems and recommending specific security improvements. The average salary for a penetration tester is $84,000. Completing the penetration tester career path will enable you to develop skills such as reconnaissance, malware, and vulnerability scanning. Learn tools such as Kali Linux, Nmap, Wireshark, and PowerShell. Become a certified ethical hacker or offensive security certified professional. And apply for penetration tester, ethical hacker, and vulnerability assessment analyst roles. In addition to helping you attain the real-world skills hiring managers are looking for, Cybrary connects your development to real job opportunities. Our community of mentors will review your LinkedIn profile or resume, prepare you for common interview questions, and connect the dots between your accomplishments on Cybrary and your career ambitions. Your Cybrary membership grants you unlimited access to over 1,500 learning opportunities to help you develop skills that make you more marketable. We encourage you to develop and dive into anything that piques your interest. Now that you're about to start your first course, set yourself up for success by setting aside time each day to continue to make progress within your career path. Consistency is key. And remember, the Cybrary community is here to support you, so you're never learning alone. Let's get started. You've got this.